Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I will give you a quick overview of FreelancerPro AI, a powerful app designed to help you create your own freelancing marketplace. Let's dive in and see how it works. FreelancerPro AI provides a fully set up platform where clients and freelancers can connect. Clients can post jobs like this, and freelancers can offer their services all within your custom marketplace. You can see the fully set up website here with a clean and organized interface. Clients can search for services they need across various categories like graphic design, content writing, programming, and more, making it easy for them to find right freelancer for their projects. Freelancers, on the other hand, can list their skills and showcase their services for potential clients to browse. Now let's go to the backend of this application and let's see how you can customize your site. Now this is the admin login panel, and you need to log in with your user email and password to enter the backend. Alright, I have successfully logged into my account, and you can see the dashboard here. It gives you a clear view of your platform's performance, tracking total number of revenue. You can see total number of job posted. You can see freelancers sign-ups and client registration. It's designed to keep you informed and in control. You can see the left sidebar. You will see all the features listed here. You can customize your site using these features. One of the standout features is the AI freelancing suite. This suite offers various AI tools and lets you create custom AI assets, which you can use as a freelancer and you can sell to your clients. This makes it easier for you to provide unique AI-driven solutions. In general settings, you have full customization options to make the platform your own, add your logo, update banners, and tailor visuals to fit your brand. Moving to payment settings, this is where you need to set up your own payment information to receive the money from your FreelancerPro AI site. And from the transaction manage sections, you can set up how transactions work on the platform, including commission rates, transaction fees, and withdrawal fees. To summarize, FreelancerPro AI offers everything you need to manage a freelancing marketplace: performance insights, AI tools, customization options, and control over payments. It's designed for simplicity and effectiveness. Thanks for watching this video. This was just a quick look at FreelancerPro AI. We will explore more in the detailed training to see how it can support your freelancing marketplace goals.